Welcome back to my channel Learning King Maths. We are given 7 minus m over m minus 7 equals 7. We are asked to find the value of m. Alright, to start the solution, I'm going to rewrite this 7 in the form of 7 over 1. In this moment, I'm going to start the solution by using cross product. So this 7 times m minus 7, I write it here. 7 times m minus 7 equal this 1 times 7 minus m, that gives us 7 minus m. Next, this 7 times n, I write it here 7m. This 7 times negative 7 gives us negative 49 equals 7 minus m. In this moment, I'm gonna move this negative m to the left hand side. It is gonna be 7m plus m equals. Next, I move this negative 49 to the right hand side. So it is gonna be 7 negative 49 becomes positive 49. Next, 7m plus m gives us 8m equals 7 plus 49 gives us 56. In this moment, both sides divided by coefficient of m, which means 8, right? This 8 can be cancelled off, so m is 56 divided by 8, which means 7. And this is your answer. But wait, we need to check the answer is correct or not. To check the answer, it is enough we plug the value of m, which means 7, in the original equation, which means I need replace 7 instead of this m and replace 7 instead of this m. So it is gonna be, let me write, 7 minus this 7 over 7 minus this 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 gives us 0, right? 7 minus 7 gives us 0. And right hand side we have 4. 0 over 0 equals 7? Absolutely not. So this is not valid answer. Let's solve this question one more time. So look here, 7 minus m on top, m minus 7 bottom. What is the relationship between top and bottom? Right, actually they are opposite of each other. Or in other words, we can say in subtraction, if we multiply one expression by a negative number, we can change the order, which means this is 7 minus m. I rewrite it in the form of m minus 7, so I need multiply this by a negative number. So 7 minus m is same as negative m minus 7. This is on top. Bottom we have m minus 7 equals 7. What do we have? M minus 7, and this m minus 7 can be cancelled off. So left hand side we have negative 1, right hand side 7. Negative 1 equals 7? No. So no solution for this question.